This is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the storage category, or on this particular phone it is called RAM and storage space. And at the phone storage section, you can see how many gigabytes you have in total, or how many gigabytes of ROM/phone memory you have in total, and how much of it is being currently used. Thus, you can also make conclusions how much you have left available, and also you can see what is that occupying your storage and to which extent. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.